Hi, I'm Ren. Today I came to Asakusa and today I will introduce the Japanese street food in Asakusa area. Okay, today I came Anshinya. So this is famous as chicken fry, karaage in Japanese, and this is really big size. Okay, let's try it. Let's go. Hi. Okay, this one. So I bought this chicken fry. So this is really big. So the name is Anshinya in Asakusa. So this is famous as really big fried chicken, and this is from Taiwanese. Okay, then okay. Oh, this is Asakusa culture. Okay, let's try this chicken fry together. Hi. Okay, now I will try this chicken fry from Taiwan. Okay. いただきます。あ、マジでうまい。リアル。It's not too oily and the outside is crispy. And this is really fresh. うまっ。おいしい。Thank you for watching. Today I tried this fried chicken in the Asakusa and really big size. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and please leave a comment here. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.